Earth's smooth 24-hour rotation rate makes our planet a perfect place to live. This rotation places Earth in a perfect equilibrium, by balancing temperatures during the day, and enabling much-needed darkness at night, to get our bodies ready to sleep. Six catastrophic events if the Earth stops spinning. Flying buildings and objects. The first thing to get affected by this extreme event will be our atmosphere. Our Earth is constantly rotating at 1,100 miles per hour along with its atmosphere. Therefore, if the Earth stops, the atmosphere will still continue to spin at the equator. As a result, everything will swirl into the atmosphere, such as buildings, trees, oceans, and even you. Formation of tornadoes. The next major impact will be the centrifugal force, that is responsible for the tidal bulges along the equator. Tidal bulges is responsible for concentrating large volumes of ocean water along the equator. If the Earth stops spinning, this accumulated water will spread across the top and bottom poles of the Earth where the gravitational force is the strongest. This spread will cause massive tsunamis, destroying everything along its way and forming a dried-up supercontinent in the middle of our planet. 6-month-long days and nights. The days and nights as we know it will change completely, both lasting 6 months each. That is because even though Earth stops rotating on its own axis, it will still continue to revolve around the Sun. The loss of gravity. Once the Earth stops spinning, the gravity will eventually disappear, causing everything to float in the air. As a result, the Earth itself will eventually start breaking into chunks as it is held together by gravity. Destruction of the magnetic field. Another disastrous outcome will be the destruction of the magnetic field, completely destroying the protective shield that prevents solar and radioactive waves from space entering our planet. These waves will eventually evaporate water, drying out oxygen, suffocating everything and everyone and burning all living things. The fall of the moon. The moon would eventually fall onto Earth, as it is believed by scientists that the moon will eventually slow down, thus getting closer to Earth and eventually come down crashing on the Earth's surface. Matter of fact, Earth's rotation has been gradually slowing down and the moon is one contributing factor, because its gravitational pull gradually slows down Earth's rotational speed. On the other hand, measurements have calculated that Earth is in fact slowing down by about 2.3 milliseconds per century, making days longer, while Moon is moving away from Earth at a rate of 3.8 centimeters a year.